Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about medical office specialists and the personality traits that you would need to have in order to be successful as one. Just as a little introduction, a medical office specialist is a very critical member of a healthcare team. You are often the first point of contact for patients, so your communication, your compassion, your organization, all that should be very on point in order to be successful in this job. You're going to be able to handle a lot of tasks, so you'll be scheduling appointments, you'll be handling insurance paperwork, things like that, and you want to make sure that you're able to multitask and do all of these things. So the first trait that I want to go over is compassion. It's very essential. When it comes to working in the healthcare field, compassion is so important. It may be hard for these patients because they may be going through something and not feeling very well, so you want to make sure that you're putting them at ease, that you're making them feel the most comfortable that they can when they're in the healthcare setting. Good communication skills are also very important for medical office specialists. You're responsible for relaying information between patients and doctors. You're talking to a lot of people, basically everyone in the healthcare team, so it's important that you communicate very well. Another thing would be organization, and you want to be detail oriented, so you have a lot of paperwork to go through. You want to make sure that you're able to keep track of everything. Everything is very crucial because this information, the patient information, is confidential, so you want to make sure that it's handled correctly. To go a little bit more in depth for communication, you'll need to be able to communicate very, very clearly. As I mentioned, you are the first point of contact for patients, so you want to make sure that you're able to answer all of their questions and their concerns. You want to also have good written communication because you're often responsible for creating and maintaining patient records, so making sure that's up to date and all the document information is accurate and clear. And a little bit more on organization. Organization is key in a medical office. There's so many documents, and you want to make sure that the patients receive the care that they need in a timely manner. So if you're more organized, you're able to keep track of patient files, of lab results, of all the appointments, then everything will go much more smoothly, and you know where to find the information if you need it. The next thing would be responsibility, so meeting deadlines and patient expectations as well. So like I mentioned, some things would be that you would do would be scheduling appointments, you're managing medical records, and to billing and coding insurance claims. So you really need to be detail oriented, and you also really need to work well under pressure because there are strict deadlines in some cases. And you need to meet those in order to keep the office running smoothly. So although it can be challenging, you want to make sure that you are able to stay calm and collected and focused in order to get the job done. You want to also make sure that you are providing excellent customer service. You want to resolve any concerns they may have, answer any questions they may have, communicate with the patient effectively and efficiently because there are a lot of patients to get through. So it's important to be compassionate and understanding, as many patients may be dealing with something difficult. And if you provide excellent customer service, then they will feel much more comfortable and everything will run way smoothly in the healthcare field. So overall, there's a lot of personality traits to have: compassion, organization, good communication, problem solving. All of these are essential for a medical office specialist, and you talk to everyone. You are communicating with patients, with doctors, with medical assistants, with nurses, so you just want to make sure you're organized, you have all your information. And medical office assistants, your job is to help care for these patients, and if you do have these traits, you will do very good in this field.